Did you know Aaron Judge is bigger than 60% of NFL offensive linemen but still hits baseballs with pinpoint accuracy? At 6 feet 7 inches tall and 282 pounds, Judge broke physics in 2022. He smashed 62 home runs, beating Babe Ruth's American League record that stood for 61 years. But here's the crazy part. He didn't just swing for the fences. Judge hit 311 in that season with 131 RBIs. His massive frame creates leverage that shorter players can only dream of. Regular exit velocities over 120 miles per hour. Home runs traveling 450 plus feet to all fields. Umpires literally struggle calling strikes because his zone is so tall. The Yankees paid him $360 million over 9 years because giants like Frank Howard and Dave Winfield never combined this size with surgical precision. Judge redefined what a baseball body looks like. When you're built like a linebacker but swing like an artist, you get results that seem impossible.